Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm here again with another of the games from our online membership subscription site. This one's based on our book Whai Mai about the playground. So it's a pretty basic board game idea where you can change it around, because what we've got here is the reti, the slide, the anaroa tunnel, and te pū table, piriti bridge, and Te Reo swings. And I'm taking these off, and the children can decide, have turns, where they're going. So Te Reo for swing is going forward 2. So if you land on that from start, you'd go forward 2. If you land on the reti slide, you'll go back 2. So you just put them wherever. Anaroa tunnel, we'll put him there. Back 4, te pū miss a turn. And where shall we put the piriti bridge? That goes forward 4, maybe near the beginning. So you can change it each time. That's the beauty of it. They can put them wherever they want. You just need to get some counters, 1 per player, and a dice. So I'm putting these up here, and then this person's red. He'll start tahi rua toru wha, try and do some counting in te reo Māori. Tahi rua toru wha. Well, that worked. Okay, so piriti is forward 4, tahi rua toru wha. Now we'll let the blue one have a turn. Tahi rua toru. And then the red one's having another turn. Tahi. So anaroa is back 4, tahi rua toru wha, etc. So you can see how they're going to go a little bit like snakes and ladders, but in a different way, around the playground. So it's a pretty easy game. There's lots of choices. The children can decide where all the elements go, and you could make a bigger version if you like, and I think it would be a good way to practice some of the counting and some of the names of the playground equipment. Ka kite.